Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you a beginner friendly pattern of crochet baby headband for newborn size. For this project, I am using a number 5 steel crochet hook which is equal to 2 mm and a 3-ply baby soft yarn. First of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would make chains for our project. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 to start our first row, which will be counted as a double crochet here. Now into the 4th chain from the hook, we are going to make a double crochet. So make a double crochet stitch by pulling the yarn through first 2 and then through other 2 like this. Then go into the next chain, make a double crochet stitch into it by pulling the yarn through 2 loops 2 times. Go into the 3rd chain, make a double crochet stitch into it, then make a double crochet into the next chain. Make double crochets in this way till the end, and including first 3 chains we have total of 11 double crochet stitches here. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Turn up the work, skip first stitch, go into the second one, make a double crochet into it, then make a double crochet into the next stitch. We have a set of 3 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains here. Now skip first and second stitch here, go into the 3rd one and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1 and then chain 2, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch. This is our shell stitch. Now skip 2 stitches and into the next one make 1 double crochet, then make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. This is our last double crochet stitch, and after that we have chain 3. In this 3rd chain we are going to make our last double crochet stitch because this chain 3 is also counted as a double crochet. So now we have a set of 3 here on this side as well. Now for the next row, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, turn up the work, skip first stitch, into the second one make a double crochet, then make a double crochet into the next stitch, and we have chain 2 space of our shell stitch. We are going to work into this. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, chain 2, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, into this chain 2 space. Now skip 2 stitches of shell stitch and into the next stitch make a double crochet, then make a double crochet into the second last stitch and then into the 3rd chain, which is also counted as a double crochet here. 3rd row is also completed. Now we are just going to repeat this row, make 3 chains, turn up the work, make a double crochet into the second stitch, double crochet into the third stitch, 2 double crochet into the chain 2 space, then 2 chains and 2 double crochet into this same chain 2 space of our shell stitch. Now make 3 double crochet stitches in these next 3 stitches after shell stitch. Just repeat this row until you get your required length. So I have made my required length. Now for the last row, make 3 chains, turn up the work, into the second stitch make a double crochet, then into the third stitch make a double crochet, and we are going to repeat our first row here. So we would make double crochet in every double crochet stitch. So in the first stitch of shell stitch make a double crochet, then into the second stitch make a double crochet. Here we have chain 2 space, make 1 double crochet into it, then make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, here a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, then into the next 3 stitches including third chain make 3 stitches, and our headband is completed. All the rows are made. Now pull the yarn, pull a long yarn tail, cut it with the help of cutter, remove the extra yarn strand, and we are going to use this yarn tail to weave these 2 sides of our headband together with the help of tapestry needle. After weaving these yarn ends, join this very simple and easy crochet flower on this side with these yarn strands. I have uploaded tutorial video of this flower, link will be in the description box. You can check the link of flower tutorial video as well. So this is our final product after weaving all the yarn ends. I hope you guys like this tutorial video. If you like it, give it big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.